Hey, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to look at the Dunlop SP Sports Maxx tires. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon where you notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you in advance. Hey folks, so today I'm going to show my Dunlop tires. These are sport tires and on my Lexus GS. And it's staggered wheel, by the way, so I can't rotate them at all. But I'm going to replace them out. So I thought I'd make one last video on it. So if you guys or gals are interested in getting one of these, just remember they're summer tires. So summer tires are not really great in the rain or not really great when it's below a certain temperature, right? So around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So below that, your grip is not that great. And I encounter a little bit of sliding action, I guess. Maybe you like it in a way, but to me, when doing that turn fast sometimes, it slips. So I'm replacing these out. So I'm making this video to show you the tires. I mean, these overall aren't really bad tires at all. It just like needs to be driven in the hot and warmer weather, I guess I would say, right? So you can see that I have under 7,000 miles on them and they're in great shape. So these are OEM for the Lexus GS F Sport, right? You got staggered wheels, right? And this is a rear wheel drive vehicle I have. It's not an all wheel drive. And Dunlop is the standard equipment. So you can see a lot of information on these tires. Treadwear is only 280, traction is A, and temperature is A, right? And the compound is not really good at gripping, so I noticed. But if you want to drive the vehicle really fast and in warm weather, these tires are great. I mean, ride's great. Yes, you get some road noise in the passenger compartment due to these tires. So I'm gonna replace these out with Michelins, and actually, the Michelins are all season, so it's a little bit different. So notice there's still a lot of tread wear left on these in particular, and I'm actually planning to sell them to a used tire store. Okay, so I don't take a big loss on it, but it's definitely still going to be a big loss, and I hate to get rid of these tires and go to waste. So notice there's not a lot of different design patterns on these tires because they're more on the sporty side. Sport Maxx 050, okay? And all these tires, you could do extra low, but the treadwear is only 280. Keep that in mind. That's not going to last very long anyway. So take it with that, right? So these are 235/40 R19. Yes, my vehicle has 19-inch rims, and really good shape. And actually, there's a date code on these tires. So these are actually from 2019. All right. And another look at the compound and everything like that. There's not a lot of patterns, not really meant to be driven, I guess, in cold, wet weather, I guess, overall. And unfortunately, in my area, sometimes you get those special rain or moist areas and conditions. So I experience a little bit of sliding. So a lot of people that have the sports tire, you will understand, right? So my vehicle is rear wheel drive. You can see that over here. So I want to get something a little bit more grippy and last a little bit longer, I guess, over time too. A little bit more tread wear would be nice, right? So I'm gonna show you the other tire that I gonna purchase in another video. So the tires I have here, like I mentioned, is the Dunlop SP Sport Maxx 050. And hopefully you make it this far in the video. Will help me out for thumbs up. Your comment or share, please leave it below on these tires. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.